February 7th, 2024. That's when I first saw a video of Keiani.
I haven't actually introduced myself. My name's Keiani. More working out. Nice. Just want to say thank you so much for watching.
For the people who still don't know her, she's like a gym athlete who does these workout videos and hiking. She's also kinda cute and authentic, and when I first saw her YouTube video, she had like 50,000 views. And her Instagram followers were like 200,000 to 300,000 followers. I don't remember that clearly, but for now, let's get back to the story. So I saw her video which was not uploaded from her real Instagram account, it was from a fan account. And to be frank, I really loved it. I shared it with one of my gym buddy and I kinda don't remember much from that day because I was traveling. But from that day onwards, no matter how many times I open Instagram, she will be there in my explore page. Reels after reels after reels of Keiani. I'm not complaining about it, I really love it. Because authentic people are really rare these days. But again, these videos which I was watching was not originally from her account. It was from different fan accounts or from these Instagram pages who does this fancy beat sync edits, and they did it so well that so many people like me started engaging with it. And under every single video, I could see her @ or username. And I used to check how many followers she had back then, and after doing the same stalking behavior video after video, I followed her. And at the time I was following her, she had like 800,000 followers in Instagram. And then the day after that, she had like 1.4 million followers. And within few days, her account got disabled due to the huge amount of traffic that was happening. Like almost 500,000 followers in Instagram gained within couple of hours. And all of these massive accounts were following her, and the number of people who were just visiting her account was also insane. And by the time all of these things were happening in Instagram, her YouTube channel was also growing. And this was all because of her personality and the way she showcased her vibe through her videos. Like when you see her videos, it's not like the traditional high production cinematic B-roll kind of videos. They were as raw as Sam Sulek's videos were, and anyone would love it. But the thing that I found much more interesting than all of this was actually something else. No matter how many reels I watched, I could find her username in the bio, which is a rare thing in Instagram. And that's exactly why I was surprised, because I have seen the similar trend happening with another person, and his name is Iman Gatsi, who is like a YouTube creator who does this video related to finance. I still find his reels in my feed, and it would be a neatly edited video from his long form content, which would also be posted from a fan account, which also has his name mentioned first thing in the bio. And this is a genius strategy which content creators use to pump in high volume of traffic into their personal account or personal brand. How it works is just as similar to the new short feature in YouTube. Like if you go and search Iman Gatsi in Instagram, you can see Iman Gatsi's original account along with Iman Gatsi Reels, Iman Gatsi Turkish, Iman Gatsi Lifestyle, Iman's Wealth, etc. And the reality is, it really isn't his fans who created these accounts. It's done by a team who are getting paid by these high profile clients to pump out maximum content for them in the form of Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, etc. And after doing all of this and gaining an insane amount of traffic, they then funnel all of this traffic to their client.
So we work with large creators, personal brands, podcasts, and we guarantee up to 150 million views in the first 90 days working with us.
And it's not just Iman who is doing this. There are many content creators or business owners who does this similar strategy.
Okay, who have you worked with?
Yeah, sure. So we've worked with Manny Kosh, been a big part of my experience, Iman Gadzi, Ryan Pineda, Greg Gallagher, Tino Body, Brandon Carter, Matt Gray.
So in Instagram in particular, these content creators pay a huge chunk of money to a team of people who does this short form content consistently. And the only job they have is to create 3 to 4 reels about their client and post it on accounts every single day for a few months. So imagine if Iman Gatsi is your client. The first step you would do is to create an account like Iman Gatsi Lifestyle or Iman Gatsi Wealth. And the next step would be to pump many reels in that account. And I'm not talking about 1 or 2 accounts. Some of this team would be handling 20 to 50 accounts dedicated to a single client. And they'll be doing it not just on Instagram but on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, etc. They'll be doing it on every single social media there is. And they'll be posting videos after videos on all of these accounts simultaneously and redirecting all of this traffic to their client. And this actually works based on a psychological trick. Like imagine a person who is coming to you and saying, I am brilliant, I am talented, and I am a great person. You might not really like it, right? But imagine a group of people who are standing besides you start to talk good about a particular person. Now you are almost curious about that person, right? And imagine I am paying few people to actually come and stand besides you to talk good things about me. That's kind of what happens here. It's a brilliant strategy, and in the future this will be how most of the engagement happens in social media. And after doing all of these things, the result will be that the client will be receiving the actual targeted audience without much effort and automatically grows their account or channel or brand. And the purpose of this video was not to say that Keiani did the same thing. Maybe it all happened naturally, maybe it didn't. It doesn't really matter. But the point of this video is to let you know that the huge opportunity you might be having to either make a lot of cash by working for a client by pumping out content for them, or either grow your own brand by contacting these teams who does this work. Also, the power of cross-platform posting is unreal. So do post the same content in YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or any of the apps you have access to. I hope you learned something new. If you did, hit that like button, and if you want some juicy assets from this video, it will be available on our Ko-fi and Patreon page. Do check them out. And for some exciting news and updates, do follow our newsletter. Links will be given in the description. And also, I've made a video about the brilliant reason why MrBeast only uploads 1080p content. I'll see you there. Bye.